This is the completion of my yard French drain project using the Baughman Gold Yellow 8-slot. This is the north side of my property. What you're looking at is an inlet drain that I put there to catch the water running from the forward area of the yard. I use this as a massive quick inlet to capture water. This is water coming off the top of my neighbor's house that is now running onto that. Now what you're looking at is a perimeter drain on my neighbor's side of the fence so that I can capture all the water that's in that slope area so that I can catch it on that side and send it underground under my yard to the far side to the sump basin, to where the pumps will take it out to the perimeter fence. The black sheet of gin belt that you see there, conveyor belt, is for in the summertime when they're cutting over there. I pull that over the trench so that it will catch all of the grass and debris from their yard and not go into the drain. Again, this is the perimeter drain on the north side of my property that catches the water in that low area and sends it underground to the far side of my yard so that the pumps will catch it. Inlet catch there is for catching all that water that's running down the drive. It sends it right into there. And I can also gauge it if it starts to get clogged up with grass and debris. I can clean it out and keep that fresh. These are my pumps in the backyard. I have a primary and secondary pump. As you just saw, the secondary pump just kicked out. I have a small basin so that the primary pump will keep up with it, but if the rain gets heavy, then the secondary pump will kick in at 3/4 full and it will keep the level down so that until next spring when I can get the new pump system from the Frenchdrain man, then I'll be able to put in a larger pump base to handle this with one pump.